Well, welcome to the call, everyone. Man, really excited about the information I'm going to be sharing with you because we are in a new age. It's decentralized. It's called DeFi. And DeFi allows you and I to be in a different position when it comes to banking. And that's what we're going to talk about here right now. And fortunately for us, we are in the forefront of this, but more and more people are going to have the opportunity to be on the other side of banking. So I'm going to introduce all of you to a company called Bancus. Well, Bancus is a decentralized digital institution built on over a decade of experience in the blockchain technology and solutions focused on decentralization. The purpose is to transform the way that the world interacts with money, combining the power of crypto assets with the ease and security of modern banking entities. So the mission is to provide an accessible, secure, decentralized financial solution to millions of people worldwide, making it easy to use, manage, and to monetize cryptocurrencies every day in everyday life. And so the vision is to become the leading global digital financial entity, integrating technology, simplicity, and the innovation into a single platform, driving the mass adoption of crypto assets as a mean of payment in the future. And so we know things are going this way. You got major companies, even governments getting involved in crypto. And so the founder of this project is Alejandro Castro, and you'll be hearing more from him. In fact, there's some videos where you can actually hear him, and we'll have him on this call as well. The company is based in Mexico. The primary office is in Mexico City. You can see the address on the screen there, but they also have other locations scattered around the world. You'll be hearing more about that as we move forward. All right, so what makes this different? Well, we understand in traditional banking, we have high fees for transfers and international payments. You have slow bureaucratic process, lack of integration with cryptocurrencies. There are geographical restrictions, limited access to services, limited service hours, strict requirements to open accounts. The list is numerous, and you have so many people who are unbanked in the world. This is where decentralized finance and decentralized digital banking comes in. We're talking about low, transparent fees powered by blockchain technology, instant transactions with no intermediaries. We're talking about multiple currency wallets, global access, 24-hour platform availability, and much, much more, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely part of the future. All right, so let's take a look at what this platform offers. So Bancus offers, first of all, fast onboarding. All you need is an email address, ladies and gentlemen, and a username. No KYC and no borders. Anyone can participate with this platform from anywhere in the world. It's 100% decentralized. You control your account, your assets. There's no banks. There's no central entities. And you'll be able to participate with a physical card, and we're going to talk about that in a moment, and very soon also a virtual card. You'll be able to use this card in stores, ATM machines, and platforms worldwide with no restrictions. Now, you can also top up with crypto or fiat directly from the app. You can top up your card easily and securely directly from your wallet. So we're talking about global payments and purchases. You make international transactions with no hassles and no hidden fees. You can make international transactions. You can send and receive between cardholders. So you may have someone else who has a card here. You can actually send money directly to them without any fees. All right, so that is huge. So we're also talking about global accessibility. Anyone can participate here from anywhere in the world. All they need is an internet connection, and it is intuitive. There's a secure app. It's user-friendly interface, it's simple navigation, and of course, it's blockchain technology that ensures transparency and protection. All right, but let's go ahead and get into the good stuff. How does your money work with this amazing Bancus card? So it's decentralized personal custody. So the user has 100% control over their assets and from any wallet or exchange. So Bancus does not intervene in the initial custody. It's fiat conversion. Crypto assets are converted to fiat currency through a regulated process. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world. When you put that crypto on this card, it's going to convert into the fiat currency where you live. You can deposit to your Bancus wallet. The user voluntarily transfers their funds to their wallet within the Bancus app, linked to the crypto-let as a bridge exchange. Control remains entirely with the user, no intermediaries involved. And usability of the funds in your local currency, of course, you can get access to this money right through an ATM machine, and we're going to talk about those details right now. So there are two types of cards that you can get, ladies and gentlemen. We've got the metal card and the plastic card. So we're going to review these details in a few moments, but with the metal card, the cost is $75 plus $10 for shipping. The maximum top off is $50,000, so you can put as much as $50,000 on this card. The ATM limit, well, actually there are none. The only thing that will limit you is the amount that ATM machine is going to give you. All right, and so if you can make it around to 10 different banks with different ATM machines, you can withdraw as much money as they will allow you to get. There is no daily spending limit, and there is no KYC required, and it also gives you access to a referral program, which we're going to talk about in a moment. All right, so then you also have the plastic card. The plastic card is $35 plus $10 in shipping. The maximum top up is also $50,000, but you have a daily spending limit of $2,500. And again, you can withdraw as much as those ATMs will allow you up to that $2,500 spending limit. And again, no KYC required, and you have access to a very good referral program, which we're going to talk about in a moment. And so now, what are the fees associated with the card? Well, the only fee is a 4% fee when you load the card. But 1% of that fee is actually distributed through a reward program. We're going to break that down for you in a moment. Now, there are no monthly fees. There are no yearly maintenance fee. And the only other fee you'll pay is what that bank charges you on the ATM side, but this card does not charge you an ATM withdrawal fee. It also does not charge you a fee when you use it in stores or you're shopping online, all right? So no charges when you swipe the card, all right? So very, very important. All right, so let's talk about the reward program. So what I like about this, it's very simple and clean cut. Nothing complicated about this at all. So Bancus doesn't just involved in decentralized finance, it also democratizes opportunity. It gives you and I an opportunity to benefit when the people that we share this with actually use this card. Now, the benefit comes when they load the card, and the benefit comes when they purchase the card. All right, so the metal card, when you become an affiliate with the program here, by the way, you can benefit from these referral rewards even if you don't own a card. So that's important. All right, you don't even own the card, but you registered, you share with other people, and guess what? You can start earning these benefits, these rewards that we're talking about. So 10% on the first level, 15% on the second level, and 10% on the third level. So when someone purchases the card, they're going to pay $75 for the card plus $10 for the shipping. You're going to earn $7.50 on the first level. On the second level, you earn 15%, that's $11.25. And on the third level, $7.50. All right. So even if, things are a little tight for you right now, but you like the card, there's a big demand for this, you go out and you share it with others, well, guess what? You could probably generate enough money to pay for the card without even going in your pocket. All right. Now let's take a look at the plastic card. And so the referral fees are the same. As you can see, 10% on the first level, 15% on the second, 10% on the third. So this is $35 for the card. So that's $350, $525, and $350. Okay? Very simple, very clean cut. But let's go further. And here's just a review so you can see everything I just shared with you about the referral commissions when you share this with someone and they actually purchase a card. So you can see the plastic card, the total cost is $45, $10 for shipping, $35 for the card. It pays out 3 levels, 10, 15, and 10. Then, of course, you can see the metal card, $75 for the card, $10 for the shipping, $85, that's it. And it also pays out on 3 levels. So this is just a review of the previous slide. All right, so in addition to that, when you refer someone or anyone in your 3-level affiliate team actually loads more money onto the card, guess what? You earn up to a 1% distribution, which is paid out 3 levels. So you can see the numbers there. On level 1, it's 0.285. On level 2 is 0.43. And on level 3 is 0.285. All right. And so, of course, this can add up significantly over time. So not only are you able to access your crypto on multiple levels, you're able to generate a secondary income simply by sharing the program with others. And this is recurring income over and over again. All right. So now, when it comes to sharing this with others, guess what? There is no limit to the number of people that you can personally refer. You can refer 10, 20, 30, 40, 100. It doesn't matter. And we know it's going to pay down 3 levels. 10% on the first level, 15 on the second, and 10% on the third. So this could be significant for you, and this enables you and I to benefit from the use of the cards. Okay? So hopefully you caught that. And here's just another breakdown. And inside of the app itself, you'll be able to see illustrations just like this, which illustrates the income that you have earned by sharing this with others. And you'll be able to see where that money has come from as well. And of course, you could withdraw it. You could use it to purchase a card. You can even transfer to other people, card to card, without any fees. All right. So now I'm going to play 2 short tutorials. They are just 1 minute long. How do you actually install the app on your device, your phone, right? Let's go ahead and play this.
Welcome to Bancus, your decentralized digital bank. Today you'll learn how to easily sign up using an invitation link. Step 1. Click the link you received through WhatsApp, Telegram, or social media. This link will take you directly to the registration form. Once you click it, it takes you to this page. At the bottom right corner, you'll see an arrow icon. We're going to click on it until it takes us to the Install App button. Tap this button, and it will display the instructions to share and add it to your home screen so the app stays pinned to your phone's desktop. We're going to tap at the bottom, and then tap Share, and look for the option that says Add to Home Screen. Tap on that option and leave the default name as Bancus. At that moment, you'll see that the Bancus app has been successfully added to your phone's home screen. Let's tap on it, and this completes the first step of the registration process, with the app now pinned to your phone's home screen.
All right, of course you saw that in Spanish, but it's also in English as well. Let's go to the second video.
The second step to load our card is, once inside the app, tap on Top Up. Then we select that we want to top up the card with $10. At the bottom, it shows us the gross conversion. Remember, the only fee Bancus charges is 4% on the amount you top up to the card. We're going to top up the card. The app will show us how the top-up will be processed, the exchange rate, the fee being charged, and the estimated amount we'll receive. Let's tap Continue. It says Top-up Successful. At this moment, we can already start using our card because it has been loaded with $10. So, we have $2 left in crypto within the app, plus the balance that's now on the card. And if we go to My Cards, we can see that it's already been topped up.
All right, so what do you want to do? You want to get in contact with the person who invited you on the call. If you happen to be, connected with other programs, try to deal with your sponsor. We like to keep things in order if we can. And then just get that link from them, and you can get registered. So very simple, very clean cut, and we're really excited to have a tool like this to enable us to access our crypto in this manner.